guys, it's Haley. Welcome back to the channel. So I am going to do this makeup today, the glitter makeup look. So if you're interested in knowing how to get this look or how the kitten Karma looks like, then let's go into the video. So I personally don't really like glossy kind of look on your base. I feel like it's just too much. So I'm just going to use my translucent powder. Voila, and you're already very matte. I am going to use a darker color because I don't want to, I guess, distract the attention out of the eyes. I'm just going to keep the brows color simple. Every day, go to makeup palette. I'm going to mix the two. This is pretty dark, but I really want to go for like the really dark eyebrow, so I'm going to mix the two. Just like playing out simple and, you know, honest with you guys, because I think a lot of you are just the same as I am. You only have like one or two makeup palette to go to for everyday look, you know. So I'm just going to make use out of the same product most of the time. Okay, so now that we're done with the brows, I'm going in for the shadow, and of course the star of this makeup is Stila's glitter and glow makeup eyeshadow, and this is in color Kitten Karma. This has been sort of like the favorite over YouTube. Like, I think it's been quite a while that it's been a sensational product, and I finally got hands on it, and honestly I really love it. Although there were other colors that I liked better, but I thought there must be a reason why all these like people, you know, and I'm not just talking about like US YouTubers, but I'm also talking about all these like Korean YouTubers that I watch, because obviously if you're Asian and if you have different complexion, different face structure, then sometimes the same coloring or same kind of shade doesn't really work on you. But both of the US like YouTubers that I watch and all the Korean YouTubers were recommending the same color, Kitten Karma. This has been sort of like the bestseller of Stila's glow and glitter and glow liquid eyeshadow. And before I made this video, I tried out different glitter makeup look using this product, and I think the best way to use it is use it at the very last stage, sort of. So I don't want to put it on first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sort of like a framework around the eyes for the glitter to go on. So I'm using a very simple blending color, and that is of course brown. So I'm just going to dab on this BR431 Caramel Popcorn by Etude House. Now I've zoomed in for the glitter so that you can see it more closely, just at the end of the eyes up to the crease, and then connect it very so lightly at the front, and then bring this out to the entire under eye. Finally, we're going in with the glitter. Let me show you a swatch of it. I find that the best way to do it is just using the same applicator. So I think if you're using brush, it doesn't really work that well because of the unique texture of the glitter, because it's not really liquid. It feels like, you know, one of those glues that you used when you were young. For those of you watching this video who has same eyes like me, you know, when you open up you don't really see it, because when you're closing you see you have quite a thick layer, but then when you open up it just disappears and you don't really have much. If you are those kind of people, then you're just going to build it up and bring it up more, up to the crease so that you see it clearly, right? I'm just going to show you by doing so how good they are in staying put. See, I have all these like glitters fallen off. Not too good. I'm going to blend it out using the same blending color that I chose, the brown. I'm just going to use it again to blend out and give it more frame that I created initially. So towards the end, up to the crease, and then to the front, around, So next we're going to use eyeliner. This is very important when you're doing glitter makeup for mono eyelids. Really give your eyes definition, otherwise your eyes are going to look puffy. A basic sketch with the black eyeliner and then do the lashes with the color after, and then do the mascara, and then just come back to the eyeliner, you know, doing the color and everything. So now we're going to use the lash color. This is Shadow's lash color, sort of like the best color out there for Asian eyes. The one I'm using is Mote mascara from Japan. Quite a lot of Japanese products, though they are so excellent in the result. They're not very advanced yet as to their ingredients. So I'd be really careful if they're using the good, you know, ingredients into their products. But Mote mascara, I hear it really depends on the colors because they have different collection basically. I just checked it with Director Pai. She does this analysis into the ingredients. I think she said okay for this one, but I think from onwards I will probably just stick to the Etude mascara. I really love them and they're very safe for your eyes. So and mascara, like Korean mascara in general, they have good ingredients. So either that or Aritom or anything of the kind that's made from Korea. So I'm just going to use them. So I'm just reapplying the eyeliner. Like the brows that I did, I'm going to mix the two brown colors here. You see this and the black color. So you see how this eye looks a lot deeper than this eye. As we've made sort of a mature look with the glitter, we're going to use a deep shade for the cheeks. Fluffy flat brush that's perfect for any kind of blush. I got this from Daiso and I think it was just like 2001, which is only like less than $2 actually. So I really like it. I'm going to just go around the cheekbones like so. We're going for a mature look, so rather than like spreading around like so, how the cheekbones, because I have glitter, I don't really want to do the highlights. I don't want to top it off. So the lips, obviously only my favorite, you know, for the last 2 years probably, the 500 from Georgio Armani. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. So you can wear, you know, how much of glitter you're going to put for this makeup depending on the occasion. So if you make it very small amount, then you're going to wear it casually. If you don't, it's going to be full lashy. But you know, in any occasion, I think it should be really perfect, especially for the weekend. I've matched my hair to the makeup so that it looks more fun. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any suggestion as to what kind of makeup you want to see from me, then please comment down below. Other than that, do subscribe and please press the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!